Now let's convert C major to its parallel minor, which is going to be C minor. For that, you're going to take the major, the C major, and you're going to take scale degrees 3, 6, and 7 and make them all flat. So you have a major, which is the same as the C major, but with a flat 3, flat 6, and a flat 7th scale degree. To convert the C major to its parallel minor, the parallel harmonic minor, you're going to take the C major with a flat scale degree of the 3rd, with a flat scale degree 3, and a flat scale degree 6. The melodic minor upwards is the C major